Dear learners, welcome to class 29. Iron Man's Rainbow Reactor, color pulse with loop and rest with use of pin D9. So, are you ready to understand that how it works? Step 1. Power up the reactor. Pin mod 9 output. This code will make pin D9 ready to glow the red, green and blue arc LED. Step 2. Let's go on and off 5 times. 4. Int I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. digitalWrite 9 high. Delay 300. digitalWrite 9 low. Delay 300. This code will firstly turn on the arc LED connected through pin D9, and delay method will keep this LED on for 300 milliseconds. Then, same LED will be turned off, and it will remain off for next 300 milliseconds. This entire process of LED on and off will go on for 5 times inside for loop. Step 3. Reactor cooldown. Outside the for loop, you can see another statement, delay 1000. This code will pause or cool down the reactor for 1000 milliseconds, or just 1 second before the next loop begins. Thank you everyone for watching and learning with Code Your Electronics. Keep supporting, learning, and growing with our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.